Yes, I'm also fine. Thank you so much. So everyone, today we will do a new thing. Today we will write basic stroke, cursive letter basic stroke. Okay. So first we will do prayer. Everyone please stand up, join your hands, close your eyes and repeat after me. Gurur Brahma गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Slowly open your eyes. Rub your hand, keep in your eyes, then feel relax. Okay everyone. First take out your notebook, pencil and eraser also. Ready? Now we will learn new concept. It means new thing. Today we will learn cursive letters basic stroke. Okay. Now see, our first stroke, no need to write, just look here. How to write? Cursive small letter A, cursive small letter B, C. Okay. This is the basic stroke like this. Okay, these are the basic strokes. Today we will learn this type of stroke. Then how to make this type of stroke? You just look here. First we will make in the air. Okay, you have to do same thing. You have to just copy me. Okay, आपको सिर्फ मैम को देख के कॉपी करना है कि एयर में आपको कैसे बनाना है. अगर आप एयर में बनाओगे तो आप नोटबुक में बनाना आपके लिए इजी हो जाएगा. आपको जो आपका हैंड है वो कैसे ऊपर से नीचे लाना है, उसको कैसे घुमाना है, यू जस्ट कॉपी मी. ओके, नाउ लुक हियर. सपोज दिस इज योर 4 लाइन. देन वी विल मेक दिस स्ट्रोक. हाउ टू मेक दिस स्ट्रोक? Look here. See, between two black line, small slanting line, turn the line. This is your first stroke. This is the basic stroke. This is the basic stroke. Okay. Now look here again. This is your 4 line. Now you have to make between two line. No need to write now. Just look here. अभी आपको सिर्फ देखना है. Okay. See this. Slanting line. Turn the line. Make small slanting line. This is first basic stroke. Okay. This is our first basic stroke. Now look here. We will make in air. You just copy me. See. Put your finger here. Yes. Slanting line. Turn the line. One more slanting line. Okay. Now again we will make this is your 4 line. We will write in between two black line. बीच की जो black line है तो उसी के बीच में हमें लिखना है. Okay? See. Slanting line. One more slanting line. Turn the line. Look here again. This is your 4 line. Between two black line, you will make basic stroke. Start from this line, standing line, turn the line like this. Okay, now you understood how to make basic stroke. See, put your finger here. Just copy me. Standing line, turn the line. Okay, now you understood how to make in basic stroke. Do you know? Good. And how to make cursive letter like this. Later we will learn. Okay. Now you understood? If you have any problem, you just ask me. कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो तो पूछ लेना कि कैसे बताना है. You have to do more and more practice for these cursive letters. Okay. Now take out your notebook. We will write this basic stroke. I will give you 1 minute. Hurry up. You have your cursive writing book. Wait a minute, I will show you. See, this is your alphabet writing cursive capital and small letters. Okay. Trace and complete the patterns without lifting your pencil. Trace and complete the patterns without lifting your pencil. Lifting मतलब क्या? उठाना. आपको बिना पेंसिल उठाए इसको करना है. Okay. This is your book. Now we will make first stroke. Write down CW and today's date. Hurry up. I will give you 1 minute. Have it done? Now write down the heading. Basic stroke. Hurry up. Suppose this is your red line. Always write after red line. Draw the standing line. Divide in 3 parts. So everyone, this is your first basic stroke. Start with me. First you just look how to make first basic stroke. Then you can start your writing out from this line. Okay? This one also. But you just look here. How to make basic stroke. See. Now I am using colorful pencil, colorful chalk. See. Between the black line, slanting line, turn the line. This is the first basic stroke. Okay? Then now you have to make here. Have to make this slanting line, one more slanting line, turn the line like this. This is your basic stroke. You have to more and more practice for these letters. Okay? Next, second right, slanting line, one more slanting line, turn the line. Understood? Look here again. Suppose this is your 4 lines. How to make first stroke? Suppose between 2 lines, this is your black line. I'll make colorful line. Okay? Now see. Here, start from here. Slanting line, one more slanting line, turn the line. This is your first stroke. Now go to the next line. Here also you have to make this is your pattern. Turn the line like this. Here also you can write slanting line, one more slanting line, turn the line. Here also you have to make slanting line, one more slanting line, turn the line. I always told you, you have to say and write, say and write. It is easy for you. Hurry up. Now here also, slanting line, one more slanting line, turn the line. Slanting line, one more slanting line, turn the line. Slanting line, one more slanting line, turn the line. Slanting line, one more slanting line, turn the line. Write in the last line in your notebook. Hurry up. I will give you 5 minutes. You have to write fast. Make this basic stroke. Hurry up. Have you completed? Hurry up. Hurry up. Now I am going to rub this. Now we will learn our next pattern. I will show you which pattern is this. Now see. Suppose no need to write now. You just look here. How to make next stroke. This is your 4 line. See, look here. Start from this black line. This is your black line. Between the black lines, start from this line. Here. Make half curve. Turn the line. One more half curve. Turn the line. Okay. This is your next stroke. This is your next pattern. Just look here. We will make in air. No need to write. You just put your hand or you just put your finger here. Start from this line. You just copy me. जैसे मैम कर रहे हैं वैसे सिर्फ आपको बनाना है. ऐसे ऐसे करके एयर में. ओके, हवा में बनाते हैं ना हम लोग, वैसे बनाना है. Now just look here. Start from this line. Half curve. Turn the line. One more half curve. Turn the line. One more half curve. This is your second pattern. This is your next stroke. This is the basic stroke for cursive letters. Okay. Now you understood. Again I will show you. Now start with me. Just look here. No need to write. Just copy from me. Just copy me. Half curve. Turn the line. One more half curve. Turn the line. One more half curve. Okay. This is your second basic stroke. This is your second pattern. Now take out your new page. Again write down CW and today's date. Write the heading basic stroke. Hurry up. Have you completed? Hurry up. This is your red line. Always start after the red line. Start from this line. See, draw to standing line. Divide in 3 parts. Okay, have you completed? Now start from this line. This is your first line. Start from here. Between the black line, make half curve. Turn the line. Make half curve. Turn the line without lifting your pencil. Turn the line. Stop. Okay. Now you understood. Go to the next line. You have to do same pattern. You have to just follow this. Start from this line. Keep your pencil here. Make half curve. Turn the line. One more half curve. Turn the line. One more half curve. Turn the line. One more half curve. Turn the line. Now you have to stop here. Okay? Without lifting your pencil. Again go to the next line. Here you have to same half curve. Turn the line. One more half curve. Turn the line. One more half curve. Turn the line. without lifting your pencil. You have to complete this stroke without lifting your pencil. Now see, can I lift my chalk? No. Without lifting the chalk, I will make this. See, it is very easy. You have to just try more and more practice. This is our second basic stroke. Done. Go to the next line. Hop up, turn the line, hop up, turn the line, hop up, turn the line, hop up, turn the line. Have you completed? Hop up, turn the line, hop up, turn the line, hop up, turn the line, hop up, turn the line. I have no space, that's why right here. You have space. You will continue that this side. Okay? Hurry up. Now go to the next line. Same thing here also. Hop up, turn the line, hop up, turn the line, hop up, turn the line. Like this. Completed? Hurry up. Hop up, turn the line. You have to say and right. Hop up, turn the line, hop up, turn the line. Go to the next line with the same procedure. Hop up, turn the line, hop up, turn the line, hop up, turn the line. Go to the next line here also. Hop up, turn the line, hop up, turn the line. Have you completed? Okay, I will give you 2 minutes. Hurry up. Have you completed? Okay. Now take out your new page, write down the homework and raise date. And see, this is your cursive letter book. So you have to complete this pattern also. Today you have to complete this and tomorrow you have to complete this. Okay? This is your homework. Write down the homework and raise it here and complete the pattern. Okay? This is your homework. Okay everyone? Now bye bye. See you tomorrow. Please take care of yourself. Keep smiling. Bye.